This is the complete seven-figure system that you can literally steal and make money fast with affiliate marketing. More than 80% of the work is already done for you. You do not need to do the hard work. It has everything from pre-built funnels, lead magnet, email sequence for the whole year, and 15 plus products that will going to make you commission every single month. All you need to do is create content and send traffic to the system. No need to write emails, create funnels, lead magnet, or even sell the product. There will be a sales team that will going to sell for you. So basically all the hard work is already done for you. First, I will explain you how this system actually works. Then I will tell you how you can try this system for free. So keep watching the video. So this is how this system works. So to start your affiliate marketing business, first you need a affiliate offer or a product, right? Once you find your product, you need to build a two-step funnel. So there will be two pages in your funnel. One is opt-in page and another is bridge page. On the opt-in page, you will give something for free to your audience. It can be free training, free PDF, free checklist. So that in return, they will give their email address. So we will going to collect their emails and build our email list. I will tell you why it is important to build your email list. And you will going to use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, or you can even use paid traffic. So you will going to send traffic to your funnel, and on the funnel on your opt-in page, you will give something for free to your audience to build your email list. And then on the bridge page, there will be a your short video. On the video, you will explain about the product that you are promoting, and from there people can buy your product, and if someone will going to buy, you will going to make commission. So this is the complete system. Okay, but this system does not work so well. If you are using this system only, then you will get only 1% conversion rate. Let's say 100 people visit your sales page, only 1% people will going to buy. So like out of 100 people, only 1% will going to buy the product. So that's why we are going to build our email list. And if you follow this complete system, the affiliate stacking ecosystem, your conversion rate will going to increase by 30 to 50%. So basically how it works, you will going to build your email list. You will share your story with them in the email. You will share value with them. You will educate them, and you will going to promote 15 plus product. Because see, when no one will going to buy the product when they just see first time, people need to see the product 17 times, 15 times to before they buy the product. So that's why we are going to follow up with them using the emails. Now the best part about this system is you do not need to spend time to find the affiliate offers. You do not need to spend time to create this funnel. Everything is done for you. There are already 15 plus product in the system to make commission, and there is a pre-built funnel. You do not need to spend time on building opt-in page, bridge page. You can just copy and paste your funnel in just one click, and you do not even write all these emails. You will get the email sequence for the whole year. Only work is to create content. If you are using organic traffic, create content on the social media platform and send traffic to this system. And if you're good in lead generation, sending traffic, then you can make good amount of money using this system without much effort, without doing much hard work, because all the hard work is done for you. And you can see there a long series of emails that already done for you. So you will going to share your story with them, so that your audience can trust you. They find you legit. You will share value with them, like you will help them to achieve their goals, so that they know, like, and trust you. Because when people will going to trust you, then only they will buy from you. And in between, you will going to promote different offers, like your main offer, then other supporting offer, then another offer. So there are 15 products that you will going to make commission every single month. So this is how the system works. Now I will build an affiliate marketing business from scratch using this complete system just by copy and paste. Also, I will tell you how you can try this complete system for free. Let me show you. Before that, if you find the video helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel. So this is the Funnel Freedom software that you are going to use to build this complete system. You will also get 14 days free trial to test out this system whether it is suitable for you. If you like the system, if you find it valuable, you can continue using it. I will put the 14-day trial link in the description box. You can check out. Now I will show you step by step how you can build an affiliate marketing business from scratch using this software. So once you join the software, you will able to see this kind of membership area, and this is the checklist they have given. So first you need to create your account. Once you create your account, these are the three simple steps that you need to follow, and in just 3 clicks you will have your complete system ready. This is the first link that you need to paste to get your Funnel Freedom account, and it will set up everything for you. So I have just pasted this link. If you once you able to see, so you can see I have pasted the link for the funnels. You can see this is the funnel. I did not build anything. This is my free opt-in funnel. So this is a free course I am giving to my audience that didn't need to create. I didn't need to spend time to create this. Even if I created when I like, even if I created, I was not able to provide that much value. And this course is built very strategically. There are already 15 plus product they are promoting in this free course. So once any people will going to buy any of the product, I will make commission. So this is the free course. You can see this is the funnel get already built. Now I will show you the member area of the free course also. So see, you can see this is already built. I don't need to do anything for all this. I just need to put it here, the link that I showed you before. That's it. Let me show you the members area of the free course. So I showed you the funnel. Now this is the free course that people will join. Now what they are promoting, like 72-hour challenge they are promoting. If anyone going to buy 72-hour challenge with this free course, I will make commission from that. And they even promoting high ticket product also. I will show you all the products they have been promoting. So funnel freedom, you can see all these freedom accelerator. This is the high ticket product they have, that is $2,000. So I showed you the funnels, right? Free course. I don't need to spend time on that to create. Now I just need to put that members area link that I showed you before here, and I need to add my details here, my link, my YouTube channel link, my Instagram link, and all of these things. And here you can see I need to update with my affiliate links, 72-hour challenge, freedom accelerator. So all these things they I will get the commission. I just need to put these affiliate links here at one time. And even in the free course or any, they have been running ads also, like Jonathan Monte running so many, spending thousands of dollars on ads. And when someone will going to buy anything from a system from my affiliate link, that I will get the commission. And I will show you the email sequence that we're going to sell all these affiliate products for me. So you can see here all the email sequences, 80-day nurture sequence. So they have different email sequences that I have not created anything, and all these going to sell for me. All these emails, now I have set it up my link. I don't need to add all the links one by one in any of these emails. So all these emails have already my link. Now whenever we're going to, any person will going to buy, I will make the commission for all the 15 products. Isn't it amazing? I found it very interesting. When I set it up, this complete system, it would not take me to 20-30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And the best part is, if you're using this tool, you don't need to spend any money on any other tool. So this software, for the first 14 days, you can get the trial, but after that, it will cost you $97 per month. But for you don't need to pay for any other software. You don't need any other funnel builder. You don't need any other autoresponder. One thing also I want to show you that I'm also promoting this challenge and software. So if you can see some commission, I have recently started promoting 72-hour challenge. So there are some commission from the challenge and from the software also. So I'm not just showing you, but I'm actually doing it also. Now let's suppose you have this complete done for you system that is already working for you, but you don't have enough traffic that you can send to the system. Then the system is also not going to work for you. So I have created a detailed video on how you can derive unlimited traffic to the affiliate products and offer. Click here and watch this video.